How to use Soundboard on Roblox VC mobile. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use a Soundboard on Roblox VC mobile. So let's get started. At the moment, Roblox doesn't support Soundboard apps on mobile devices the way it does on PC. Those overlay style apps you might expect to work simply aren't compatible. This is because mobile operating systems don't allow system audio to be routed directly into the microphone. Since Roblox Chat on mobile only recognizes input from a physical microphone and not virtual audio, using a standard app-based Soundboard isn't possible. However, there are a few alternative methods you can use. One simple workaround is using a second device. You can play sound effects from another phone or tablet and hold your main device microphone close to the speaker. This method works instantly and doesn't cost anything, but the audio quality won't be perfect since it's being picked up externally. Another option is using dedicated audio equipment with tools like an audio mixer, splitters, and cables. You can route sound directly into your phone so it registers as microphone input. This setup delivers much clearer audio and works similarly to PC soundboards. The downside is that it requires extra hardware and can be more expensive. If you're searching for a free app or overlay to do this directly on mobile, unfortunately that isn't possible. On mobile, soundboards require physical devices or external gear. There's no software-only solution. That said, some Roblox games include built-in voice effects. For example, in certain social or hangout games, you can access voice settings and apply voice changes directly in the game. These features are limited to specific games and usually only include voice filters rather than full soundboards. So overall, if you want a true soundboard experience on Roblox Mobile, external hardware is the only reliable way. Hopefully, this clears things up and helps you understand your options. So if this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.